Celebration is known for its charming neighborhoods, vibrant community, and beautiful homes that blend classic and modern styles. But no matter how well a home is built, windows eventually show signs of wear and tear. From Florida's humid climate to daily use, it's common for homeowners in Celebration to encounter window issues that affect both comfort and efficiency. The good news? Most of these problems have straightforward solutions that can restore your home's beauty and functionality. Drafty windows. One of the most frequent complaints from Celebration homeowners is drafty windows. Drafts not only make rooms uncomfortable but also increase energy bills by forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Causes: worn-out seals or weather stripping. Gaps around frames from aging or poor installation. Warping of wooden frames due to Florida's humidity. Solutions: replace old weather stripping and re-caulk around frames. Install energy-efficient windows with tight seals to eliminate drafts. Consider upgrading to vinyl or fiberglass frames, which resist warping better than wood. Condensation between glass panes. Foggy windows with moisture trapped inside the glass can make your home look less appealing and indicate a bigger issue. Causes: seal failure in double or triple pane windows. Excessive humidity paired with aging glass units. Solutions: if the glass seal has failed, replacement of the glass unit, or the entire window, is often necessary. Invest in energy-efficient windows with advanced insulating technology to prevent condensation from recurring. Difficult to open or stuck windows. In Celebration's climate, windows that don't open or close smoothly are more than just an inconvenience, they can impact safety and ventilation. Causes: dust, dirt, or debris buildup in tracks. Swelling of wooden frames due to moisture. Corroded or damaged hardware. Solutions: clean and lubricate window tracks regularly. Replace or upgrade hardware like locks and cranks. For long-term performance, consider modern materials such as vinyl or aluminum that resist swelling and corrosion. Water leaks during heavy rain. Celebration's frequent rainstorms can put windows to the test, and leaks are a sign that something isn't right. Causes: improper installation or failing seals. Cracked or damaged caulking. Blocked weep holes in window frames. Solutions: reapply caulking and sealants around the window perimeter. Clear out debris from drainage channels to allow water to escape. For persistent leaks, professional evaluation and replacement may be the best option. Noise infiltration. Celebration's lively neighborhoods are a perk for many, but excess outside noise can disrupt the peace inside your home. Causes: single-pane windows with minimal soundproofing. Poor insulation around frames. Solutions: upgrade to double or triple pane windows designed for sound reduction. Ensure professional installation with proper sealing to minimize gaps. Outdated or faded appearance. Beyond functional issues, many homeowners notice that old windows drag down their home's curb appeal. Causes: faded or peeling frames from sun exposure. Outdated designs that no longer complement the home's architecture. Solutions: refresh frames with new paint or finishes if possible. Replace with modern window styles that boost aesthetics while offering energy efficiency. Final thoughts: windows play a vital role in your Celebration home's comfort, efficiency, and appearance. Common issues like drafts, condensation, stuck sashes, and leaks are often signs that your windows need attention. While small fixes like cleaning, resealing, or replacing hardware can provide temporary relief, many problems point toward the need for a professional upgrade. By investing in energy-efficient, professionally installed windows, Celebration homeowners can enjoy long-term comfort, lower utility bills, and a fresh, attractive look for their homes. Whether you're dealing with functional problems or simply ready for a style upgrade, solving window issues today ensures your home remains as inviting and charming as the community around it.